front of me is HONOR Magic8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Start by opening settings and scrolling to tap on display and brightness available here. Now scroll again, this time to click on screen refresh rate, and apply any of those options by clicking on the best one for you. Dynamic, standard or high. If you decided to select high, click on manage apps using high refresh rate and enable or disable high refresh rate for any app thanks to this switcher next to the chosen one. When you're ready, just go back, and as you can see, refresh rate of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!